Hey everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download the Weebly app on your mobile device. Whether you are managing your website on the go or editing content, the Weebly app makes it super easy. So let's get started. Firstly, depending upon your device, open either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And once you have opened the Google Play Store, click on the search icon which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, click on the text box which is at the top of the screen, and from there search for Weebly. Here you will be able to see the Weebly app which is located at the top of the screen. Once you have found the Weebly app, tap the download or install button. The app will begin downloading to your device. Once the download is completed, tap the open to launch app, or you can find the Weebly app icon on your home screen. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and logged into your Weebly app. Now you can manage your site from anywhere, right from your mobile device. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.